In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate contacts in Keap. If your CRM has duplicate contacts, it can make follow-ups confusing, create messy records, and affect how accurately you track customer information. The good news is that Keap includes a built-in Manage Duplicates feature, and this is one of the best ways to systematically find and clean up duplicate records. To begin, log into your Keap CRM dashboard. Once you're inside the account, head over to the Contacts section. This is where all of your saved contact records live, and it's also where you can access the tool Keap provides for identifying possible duplicates. Inside Contacts, click on Manage Duplicates. This feature is designed to help you find contact records that may belong to the same person. Instead of manually comparing entries one by one, Keap scans your database and groups together records that appear similar, so you can review them and decide whether they should be merged. It's a much more efficient way to keep your CRM organized and reduce duplicate data. After opening the Duplicate Management tool, click Next to move forward. On the next screen, select Check All Records. This option tells Keap to scan your entire contact database rather than limiting the search to only a smaller group of contacts. If you want the most complete cleanup possible, this is usually the best option because it gives you a full review across all records in the system. Once that's selected, click Next again. Before you launch the scan, take a moment to read the section called How the System Checks for Dupes. This is helpful because it explains the logic Keap uses to identify potential duplicate records. Understanding this process gives you a better idea of why certain contacts are flagged and helps you make better decisions when reviewing results later. When you're done reading, click Next. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the process. Click OK to start deduping your contacts. Keap will then begin scanning your database for possible duplicate entries. As a best practice, don't automatically merge every suggested match without reviewing it first. Sometimes two different people can have similar names, or they may share an email address or phone number in certain situations. Taking a moment to verify each suggested duplicate helps prevent accidental merges and keeps your contact data accurate. That's how to remove duplicate contacts in Keap using the Manage Duplicates feature. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.